This video is about compression pattern in forex trading technical analysis. Compression is a term related to supply and demand. When price is moving slowly and consuming demand on the way, then this will be termed as a compression, and on return of the price to this compression zone where there is already no demand in this zone. As in this zone there is no demand, so supply will come and big bearish movements will happen in this zone in minimum amount of time. Let's discuss first of all demand, drop and base, and then rally. This is demand zone, this is rally, and then base, and then drop. This is supply zone. After the retest of demand zone, price will go up. Actually, price is picking the order from the demand zone during the retest, and this zone will not remain fresh after the retest. Now look at this animation below. Price is moving up as well as consuming the demand zone. So there is no any fresh demand zone here. All demand zones are already consumed, and we will call it compression, as there is no demand in this zone, and we will also call it a CP zone or compression zone. Now what will happen when there is no demand? Simply a large amount of supply will come. Now when price will come down and enter the CP zone, then large amount of supply will cause the price to move directly towards the origin of the zone. It will come directly to the original zone. Now let's look at the live chart. I have already drawn the chart to save your time. Now look at these demand zones. All are retested and not fresh zones. This is demand zone, this one, this, and this one. And now watch here. This is the demand zone. Price retested it, and next demand zone, price retested it, and next demand zone, price come up and came down to retest it, and this demand zone, price retested it, and now here at this point price entered CP zone and it came directly to the other end of the CP zone due to no demand and large amount of supply. Start of compression will be called as origin of CP, and price will surely come to the origin of the CP after entering the CP zone due to space or no demand. This is simply a compression pattern. This pattern can be used to do analysis of a forex pair, or it can also be used to do high time frame analysis and very high probability setups in low time frame. Thanks for watching the video. Visit forexbee.com on Google to learn advanced price action techniques. Thanks.